Hello guys, my name is Rinki Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how is grammar important for the speaking. So guys, many times you must have heard about that the grammar is not important for the speaking. You can speak without grammar. So do you think the same? Do you feel the same? So guys, if you feel the same, so you are not going to improve. Yes guys, because without grammar, we can speak English, not good English. Without grammar, you can speak broken English, but not good English. For the speaking good English, we have to learn grammar. It's very important. So how we can say like grammar is not important? If you have to learn something, so you have to learn very correct way. Why we should choose like those kind of things which is not good for us? So we have to choose very good way. We have to choose a proper good way. So grammar is very important. For example, if I talk, अगर तुम मेरे घर आओगे तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ खेलूंगा. अगर तुम मुझसे बात करोगे तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ पिकनिक में जाऊंगा. So these are the sentences. How we can make? Can we make like this? If you will, if you will come to my house, I will play with you. अगर तुम मेरे साथ बात करोगे तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ पिकनिक जाऊंगा. If you will talk to me, I will go picnic with you. So these are the correct? No, these sentences are wrong. So how we have to speak? अगर तुम मेरे घर आओगे तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ खेलूंगा. If you come to my home, I will play with you. अगर तुम मुझसे बात करोगे तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ पिकनिक जाऊंगा. If you talk to me, I will go picnic with you. So this is the correct. Yes guys, these are the called conditional sentences. So conditional sentences, and we have to speak very correct form. We can't say, and the conditional sentences, the part 1 should be in present indefinite and the part 2 will be in future tense. So we have to make like that. So how we can say without grammar we can speak a very good English? It's simply impossible. You can speak English, not good English, but broken one. So guys, why we are just waiting for that? Just learn grammar and just learn the things which is actually correct. So guys, I think everybody should learn grammar. Everybody should learn some which is actually correct. Everybody learn the sentence making. So these are the things you should actually learn. And how we can start? We can start with the tenses. So we know that the tenses are very important. So learn tenses at first. And if you have if you just feel hurry that I should speak very soon and I just want to I have I just want to speak very fast, I just want to speak so soon. So it's not like that. It takes a lot of time. It takes, no matter if you are just going to put your 2 years, 3 years, no matter at all, but you are just going to learn very good English. So guys, just have patience and learn this kind of things. Grammar is very important guys, we know that, and we don't consider this because we are just want to be in our comfort zone. We don't want to leave our comfort zone. So that's why we feel that okay, whatever I'm just speaking, this is the correct. Because if somebody is getting you, so you think that I am correct, but if somebody is getting you, so they are just assuming that what you want to speak, that's the things they are just assuming. If you speak wrong English, they are just assuming. It's like we can say this is a makeshift, so jugaad, we can say like that. So you have to learn this kind of things guys. Without learning a proper grammar, how can you speak a better English? Everybody does like that. So you should start like this. So guys, if you really want to learn this, so you can join my class. I have been running my class for a long time. So guys, if you really want to join my class, so you can do comment. And guys, let me know whether you just like this video or not. And guys, I just like to say, I would like to say something for my new viewers. If you really watching my video and you are just you just like this video, so please subscribe my channel guys, please, because it's mean a lot for me. And guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button guys. This is also very important. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thank you guys.